We are somewhere in the Mediterranean Sea aboard the Carnival Sunshine. It's a super fun ship and we've had an absolute blast. Today we're going behind the scenes to do something that is appetizingly awesome.
Guy's Burger Joint is one of the most popular places to eat on this entire cruise ship, and these guys are going to show us what they do to make this such a magical place. So we're going to learn how to make burgers, right? Yeah, all right.
So we head back to the kitchen and immediately I'm told that I'm wearing my hat wrong. Everybody at Guy's Burger Joint wears their hat backwards. Then they show me how to toast the buns. And this is a lot harder than it looks. These guys make it look easy. The meat patties start with this perfectly formed meatball, and then you get to take this meat patty splatter thing and splat the burgers. Talk about a great way to release some stress. Then once the burgers are done, you gotta flip them over, and then the fun part, get to add the cheese. First, we add a great big glob of gooey cheese right in the middle of each burger, and then we top it off with a slice of melty cheese. Next, we steam the burgers in some kind of freshly squeezed chicken juice. It makes the burgers extra juicy and oh my gosh, it smells so good. It looks like fried egg on top, but it's actually cheese. Next, we make the French fries. We dump them in a bowl, season them up with some cayenne pepper, and toss them around really good to get that seasoning all over the fries. Of course, they make it look a lot easier than it really is. I actually dropped the French fry on my foot. Note to self, don't wear flip-flops when tossing hot French fries.
I just burnt my foot with the French fry. 5-second rule.
Now it's time to assemble the burger, and we start with Guy's famous donkey sauce. It consists of roasted garlic, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and mayonnaise. Of course, no donkeys were harmed in the making of this sauce. Then we add lettuce and tomato and onions and pickles so we can tell ourselves that we're eating a healthy burger. Then we grab one of our patties with the cheese melted on top, add an onion ring, put some barbecue sauce on it. There, we have created the Ringer, one of the most popular burgers at Guy's Burger Joint. Just a warning, the ensuing foodgasm can be downright insane.
So, do we sample each burger before we give it to the customers to make sure quality control? Okay, donkey burger. Who wants a donkey burger? A ringer. A ringer. No, this is not made from a donkey. It's got donkey sauce on it.